All right, viewers, we have some shots coming in from 7 Lok Kalyan Marg as we speak. This is the high-level meeting that is going on right now, high-level security meeting ahead of the India-Pakistan DGMO talks that is going to happen in a short while from now. Those are the live visuals coming in. Live visuals coming in, viewers. In fact, this is an important meeting that is underway, and this is coming in from the national capital, from the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. Remember, it's a high-level meeting, and of course, this will be with the NSA, Ajit Doval, Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, and you have Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh as well, CDS also, the CDS General Anil Chauhan, Tri-Services Chiefs at Prime Minister's residence at the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. So that is the update we have right now. In fact, there is a very important press briefing by the DGMO in also at 2:30 p.m. Indian Armed Forces press briefing, 2:30 p.m. Riyanka Chaudhary joins us live in the broadcast from 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. Riyanka, getting in inside visuals from the meeting. Tell us more, please.
Well, we have in fact seen those visuals, and of course on the screen for viewers, the inside visuals from Prime Minister's residence where the high-level meeting is taking place. And we have in fact seen these similar meetings happen for probably the third or the fourth time in the last 72 hours regarding the entire briefing of the situation between both the nations and the preparedness of the Army, the Navy as well as the Air Force, as we see that the chiefs of the three services are also present, as well as CDS. On the other hand, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. Also, we are eyeing the important conversations between the DGMO of both the nations, India and Pakistan, today, and very, very crucial developments will follow through that. But you know, these crucial meetings that we are seeing for the last few days are of course being given for the fact that there is a briefing that is given to the Prime Minister and the future planning and the strategies of how India must retaliate when there is any action that is coming in from the Pakistani side. Those matters are also being chalked out. Remember, Prime Minister had made it very clear that whatever action comes in from the side of Pakistan, it will face a double reaction from the from India's side. So there is an understanding which has been reached regarding the de-escalation process, and more data will come in after the DGMO conversations happen today between both the nation, and we will continue to track all those developments. On the other hand, we are taking a very, very short break, viewers. We will come right back. Stay tuned. We will get